Yo, what's up everyone, it's Snap5 and welcome back to the channel. So you finally did it, you pulled the trigger and joined the Tesla family. That new car smell is hitting different, am I right? But before you crank up that immersive sound system and blast off into the future, let's talk about a few things that'll make your Tesla experience even better. We're diving deep into the top 10 things every new Tesla owner needs to know. Whether you're fresh to the EV game or just new to the Tesla lifestyle, these tips will have you rolling like a pro in no time. Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 10 things every new Tesla owner must know. Whether you're a first-time EV driver or just new to Tesla, these tips will help you get the most out of your ride. First things first, gotta keep that battery juiced. Now, unlike your gas guzzler days, filling up isn't as simple as pulling up to the pump. But trust me, once you go electric, you won't want to go back. At home, you can install a Tesla wall connector for the fastest charging speeds. It's super convenient to just plug in overnight and wake up to a full charge. But if you're on the road, Tesla's Supercharger network has got you covered. These bad boys can add up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. And don't sleep on destination chargers either. You'll find these at hotels, restaurants, and shopping centers, making it easy to top off while you're out and about. Alright, let's talk Autopilot. No, it's not going to turn your car into a self-driving spaceship yet, but it comes pretty darn close. Autopilot's got your back with features like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and even automatic lane changes. It's like having a co-pilot that's always alert, but remember, you're still the one in the driver's seat. Keep your hands on the wheel, eyes on the road, and be ready to take over at any time. Safety first, people. Okay, this is the cool part. Your Tesla is constantly evolving, thanks to over-the-air software updates. It's like getting a brand new phone, but instead of a phone, it's your car. These updates introduce new features, improve performance, and even enhance safety, so when you see that notification pop up on your touchscreen, don't ignore it. Hit that update button and let your Tesla level up. Time to talk about braking. But not just any braking, regenerative braking. This Tesla tech is a game changer. When you ease off the accelerator, the electric motors become generators, converting the car's momentum back into energy that gets stored in the battery. It's like having a self-charging system built right in. Not only does this extend your range, but it also reduces wear and tear on your brakes. It's a win-win. Ditch that bulky key fob. With the Tesla mobile app, your smartphone becomes your car key, climate control, and so much more. You can lock and unlock your car, start and stop charging, even heat up or cool down the cabin before you even step outside. And if you're prone to forgetting where you parked, no judgment, the app's got your back with real-time location tracking. Let's be real, Teslas are head-turners which, unfortunately, can attract unwanted attention. But don't worry, Tesla's got your back with Sentry Mode. This feature uses the car's external cameras to record any suspicious activity around your vehicle, like someone getting a little too close for comfort. Think of it as a security system on wheels, always watching, always recording. It's a great deterrent for potential mischief makers. Now, even though Teslas are built to last, they still need a little TLC from time to time. But don't worry, maintaining a Tesla is way easier than a gas car. Forget about oil changes and engine tune-ups. Your main focus will be on tire rotations, brake fluid checks, and keeping that software up to date. And of course, regular washes to keep that paint looking fresh. Superchargers are a lifesaver on road trips, but remember, they're meant to be shared. Once you're done charging, be courteous and move your car so someone else can juice up. And speaking of charging, only occupy a supercharger stall for as long as you need to. No one likes a charging hog. Remember, it's all about sharing the electric love. One of the coolest things about Tesla is the ability to personalize your ride. From adjusting the acceleration to tweaking the steering feel, there's a setting for practically everything. And don't even get me started on the customization options. You can change the interior ambient lighting, choose from different wheel designs, even go all out with a custom wrap. The possibilities are endless. Now, range anxiety is a real thing for new EV owners, but it doesn't have to be. Your Tesla's energy consumption depends on a few factors like driving style, weather conditions, and even the use of climate control. The key is to monitor your energy usage and adjust your driving habits accordingly. Trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll be surprised how far you can go on a single charge. So there you have it, 10 essential tips to help you conquer the world in your new Tesla. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on future Tesla adventures. From charging hacks to autopilot deep dives, we'll be covering it all. Until next time, drive safe, stay charged up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Tesla and tech content.